Good afternoon. Can you maybe introduce yourself, your name, surname, where you're from, and what act are you going to do today?
Hi everybody, my name is Muhammad Rasab Johnson. I'm better known as Zaki. I am an art and culture coach. I train school learners from guitar to bass guitar, even
Okay.
acting and dance. I am from Menenberg, and yeah, it's basically I'm gonna act
Nice.
something I've written about
Act.
10 years ago.
Okay.
It's called Cry.
Nice. So,
Yes.
um,
Okay.
you can no. You can have a seat. Acting.
It's a bit of mix.
Come on, you said.
No, Ma, I'm busy now, Ma. I, I'm not gonna eat now, Ma. I'm busy, Ma. I have to practice. Okay. So half an hour. Thank you. Hey, mothers. You know, I have to practice. I have to stay indoors because outside, too much violence. You can't even raise your hands and you have to catch a bullet or so. But yeah, I have to practice my piece, man. Yes, and I have to practice my dance as well. So it's the dance from Coach Liesel and Coach Angela. No, I can't sing to save my life. Yeah, so dance and the guitar piece. Yeah, so let me do the dance.
Hey, 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 hey.
And down and down and down and one knee and turn. The other jump over and then actually over and that way. Ma, then I shoot again, Ma. Can you? Okay, I'll wait. But can you take me? Can you take me to the? Yes, Ma, man. Don't worry. Okay. So another 5 minutes and I'll be there. I'm not gonna eat now. I know you want it. The song's name is Crying and I have to E minor, A minor, and B. Here we go.
Wow. Yeah. Powerful. Wow.
I think I'm ready for that one. Ma, I'm ready now, Ma. You can come and fetch me. No, I don't want to go outside the door. You know how they shoot. Okay, Ma. Yes, I've got everything. Thanks, Ma.
Yo. Understand, yeah? Dive was like, I could feel that, I could see the picture, everything. That was very nice service.
Thanks.
That's from me. And you guys anything to
Have you
say?
done acting before?
Yes, I did some acting, but after my academics,
Okay.
Okay, nice, nice.
I just want you to let that part again where you were crying.
That's the song's name.
Ah, cry.
Oh,
But yeah, I must say you're doing good.
Thank you. And all the best for you with everything that you do and for your future.
Thanks.
Thank you.